Alright, a little more Parkzone Mosquito flying out here at the soccer field. Believe it or not, previously I was flying it on 180 milliamp hours. Yes, 70 less than recommended. Now I'm using a 220. Should be a little better. Oh yeah, definitely more throttle, more power. So, it's a lot. The CG is very different. Much more nose heavy than it was. Settings change. Gonna increase the roll rate and elevator travel. Alright, elevator travel is set to 130%, roll travel is set to 140, so that should be a little more snappy. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, that's better. Whoa, there we go, yeah. I don't know what that was. Let's take a look. Okay, so you can see what happened here. It's like the glue came undone under the wing. A little dent in the tail. It's fixable. Gotta replace this hatch. So yeah, I think what happened is either this came off first, or the glue holding the wing onto the fuselage came off, and then motor came off. Yeah, G-forces, guys. That was probably too much roll rate for it. I should have known. Well, I'll get this fixed up and I'll have it flying again soon. Thanks for watching.